Choosing the right name for your business is an exciting step towards establishing your brand identity. However, before you can start using your chosen name, you need to ensure it's legally available and registered. In this informative guide, we'll walk you through the process of applying for a business name, providing you with the necessary steps to navigate the process effectively. Firstly, it's essential to conduct a thorough search to ensure that your desired business name is available and not already in use by another entity. You can perform this search through your state's business entity registry, online databases, and trademark databases. Make sure your chosen name is unique and not too similar to existing business names to avoid potential legal issues. Once you've confirmed the availability of your chosen business name, you can proceed to register it. The process for registering a business name varies depending on your location and business structure. In many cases, you'll need to file a doing business as, DBA, or fictitious name registration with your state or county government. To register your business name, you'll typically need to complete an application form and pay a registration fee. The form will require details such as your chosen business name, your legal name and address, and your business structure. Some states may also require additional documentation, such as proof of identity or authorization from a business owner. After submitting your application and fee, the registration authority will review your submission. If everything is in order and your chosen name meets the requirements, you'll receive approval to use the business name. This approval may come in the form of a certificate or acknowledgement letter. Once your business name is registered, it's essential to display it prominently at your place of business and use it consistently in all your business dealings. Remember that registering your business name doesn't provide exclusive rights to the name. You may also want to consider trademark registration for added protection. In summary, applying for a business name is a crucial step in establishing your brand identity and ensuring legal compliance. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well equipped to navigate the registration process and secure your chosen business name effectively.